My kids love Asian food, and when I saw this Beijing beef recipe on TikTok, I had to make it. You guys are gonna love this one. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 pound of flank steak that I'm gonna cut into strips, about this size. Now to marinate, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 egg white, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix until the meat is well coated, and we refrigerate for about 45 minutes. For the sauce, here I have half a cup of water, and I'm gonna mix in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix until well combined. It's ready. Now I'm gonna cut 1 small white onion into 2-inch pieces, just like this. Then 1 red bell pepper, and we set aside. Now before cooking, we're gonna give our meat a final dusting of cornstarch, mix, and we can start frying. My wok is set to medium heat and I add some oil. Once hot, we begin frying the meat, and I'll be doing it in batches. We fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. This batch is ready and we remove from the heat. We continue doing the same with the rest. Now in the same wok, we leave some of the oil and saute 3 minced garlic cloves, the onion, and the bell pepper. We saute for about 2 minutes and then add the meat back in. Mix, and then we can add the sauce. Mix and make sure the meat is well coated in the sauce. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and here I have a mixture of 1 tablespoon of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well, cover it up, and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. And our Beijing beef is now ready. It looks so delicious, guys. I'm gonna serve myself. This dish goes perfect with white or fried rice, chow mein, or just by itself. My kids love it. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, you need to try this. My boys love Asian food, so I'm always trying new places, new recipes. This one has been one of my favorites. The meat is super tender, and I love the crunchiness of the red bell pepper and the onion. So if you guys have never tried it, this is your chance to try it. And by the way, it's not spicy. Your kids are gonna love it. And there you have it, delicious Beijing beef. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.